Hi friends, today I want to tell you one problem based on fuzzy sets. Okay, the problem is here. Actually, three fuzzy sets have been given to us, A, B and C. Now we need to find out A union B, A bar, B bar, A difference B, associativity and De Morgan's laws. So these things we need to find out. So let us see in which way we need to find out these things. Okay, first I want to write the formulae for each of them, then I will take you separately for the solution of the each and every problem, okay, with including formulae. The formula writing is very important for us to get a very good marks and very good impact on our solutions. Yes, so the question asked is A union B. So we need to keenly observe the things. A union B is the fuzzy set, okay, but we need to write the formula in terms of membership functions. So please write the formula in terms of membership functions. So membership function for A union B is equal to, this is A union B, so we need to identify the maximum value out of A and B for a particular value. So it should be maximum, let me take it, A, and it should be maximum and B. So this is the thing, but we need to take it for particular problem. For example, it should be for 1. I want to see these two. Okay, so for representing that, I like to represent that as the x. Here x are from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so this is the formula writing. So in this way we need to remember the formula and you need to write the formula. Okay, next we will move on to the B bit. So for B bit also, let me write for only A bar. So we need to write in membership type of thing. It is A bar and this is for particular element. X is equal to, it should be 1 minus mu A of X. Okay, now coming to A difference B, so this can also be equal to A intersection B bar. A intersection B bar. So now let me write it for A difference B is equal to, it's an intersection, right? So it should be mu A of X and mu B of X. Of course it should be B bar. If you want to elaborate this, you can write this formula also. That means within brackets 1 minus mu B of X. Okay, it's very simple. So this is for A difference B. Coming to associativity. So associativity can be done in two ways. One is with union and one is with intersection. So if the problem is very big, you can solve any one of them, no issues. So let me write both of them. It is associativity. So A union of B union C is equal to A union B union C. Same thing holds good for intersection also, that is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So coming to De Morgan's laws, it is A union B whole bar is equal to A bar intersection B bar. Okay, it's simple. The symbol will be changed and the bar will be changed. So this is a bar for group bar and it is individual bars. Similarly, intersection also, A intersection B whole bar is equal to A bar union B bar. B bar. Yes, so these are the formulae. Now we need to see in which way we can apply these formulae. Okay, So this is the first bit, a bit, and let us see how we can do this. So our job is to find out a union b only. Yeah, our job is to find out a union b only. So let me write a union b directly. A union b. So it should be, this is fuzzy set, so it should be in the order of, it's just like, so we have already discussed this part. Fuzzy set A is equal to sigma is there and mu of x divided by x. That means on top we need to discuss, we need to get the value of membership function for corresponding x. So here x means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So similarly for first x equal to 1, let us discuss this part. So x is equal to 1, it will be 1 and mu a of 1 is 0.2 and mu b of 1 is 0.3. So here we need to find the maximum out of these two, mu a of x and mu b of x. So for corresponding x equal to 1, the values from a is 0.2 and from b is 0.3. okay, so out of these two the maximum value is 0.3, so I will take that 0.3 here, 0.3 divided by 1. okay, very simple. Plus for the second element x equal to 2, the values are 0.6 and 0.6, so obviously 0.6 will be the maximum out of them. And for value x equal to 3, from 0.7 and 0.8, the maximum value is 0.8. From x is equal to 4, the maximum value is 0.7. From x equal to 5, the maximum value is 0.4. That's all. So this is A union B. Now let's move on to the A bar, also for B bar. As we have discussed, this is the membership value formula for A bar. It should be 1 minus mu A of x. Okay, it's very simple. So let me take directly what is A bar. Fuzzy set A bar equal to, for x is equal to 1, the value of mu A of x is 0.2. That should be substituted here. So 1 minus 0.2 will be 0.8. Okay, let me write directly. It should be 0.8 divided by 1. Similarly, for 0.6 it should be 0.4. For 0.7 it should be 0.3. From 0.3 it should be 0.7. So for 0.2 it should be 0.8. That's all. So this is the answer for A bar. Similarly, let me go ahead with the B bar also. So which is equal to 0.3. So it should be 0.7 by 1. So 1 minus 0.3. Similarly 0.6. So 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4 by 2. Plus 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. And 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6 by 5. That's all. So these are A bar and B bar. Okay, so this is the solution for second bit, B bit, A bar and B bar. Let's move on to the other problems. Coming to the C bit, it is A difference B, so A intersection B bar. So we need to identify the minimum out of A and B bar. So yeah, let me bring B bar also here so that it will be easier for us. Yeah, so it is the B bar. Just now we have solved this one. This is B bar. So now we want to find this fuzzy set of A difference. Now I have brought B bar also here, and now we can see comparing A and B bar, and we need to find out minimum out of them, minimum value. We have to find out this minimum value out of them. Okay, let me take directly A difference B. So which is equal to, for x is equal to 1, and this is my B bar value, and for x is equal to 1, this is my A bar A value. So A value is 0.2 and B bar value is 0.7. So minimum out of these two is 0.2. divided by 1 plus next one is x equal to 2 and its values are 0.6 and 0.4, so it should be 0.4 divided by 2. And the next value is x equal to 3, so the minimum value is 0.2 here, and for x equal to 4 the minimum value is 0.3, and for x equal to 5 the minimum value is 0.2 again. So this is the solution for A difference B. So now let's move on to the D problem. Coming to D problem, so this is associativity. We have already seen union part. So now let me take directly to B union C. So I want to solve the first one. A union of B union C is equal to A union B union C. First I will solve B union C, this part, bracket part, and then I will go ahead with A union of B union C. Okay, so simply B union C. So union means we need to identify the maximum out of those two. So here it is B and C. So I need to compare x equal to 1, that is from B, and x equal to 1 from C also. So the values are 0.3 and 0.6. So the maximum will be 0.6. So 0.6 divided by 1 plus similarly it should be 0.6 divided by 2 plus 0.8 divided by 3. Plus 0.7 divided by 4 plus 0.7 divided by 5. So this is the B union C. Now let me go back to complete problem A union of B union C. So this is B union C and this is A. Now I need to find maximum out of these two. For x equal to 1 the maximum value will be 0.6 only. For x equal to 2 also the maximum value is 0.6 only. For x equal to 3 the maximum value is 0.8. For x equal to 4 the maximum value is 0.7. For x equal to 5 the maximum value is 0.7 again. That's all. So these are the values of A union of B union C. Now let's move on to the second part, that means a right hand part, and it is A union B. First I want to see that A union B. A union B, it is minimum of A in A and B, 0.2 and 0.3. The minimum value is 0.2 divided by 1 plus next 0.6 divided by 2 plus 0.8 divided by 3 plus, sorry, the first one is 0.3. Next, fourth one is 0.7 divided by 4 plus 0.4 divided by 5. So this is A union B. Now I need to know A union B union C, which is equal to, this is A union B and this is C. So I can see the maximum out of 1. For x equal to 1 the maximum value is 0.6. For x equal to 2 the maximum value is 0.6 again. For x equal to 3 the maximum value is 0.8. For x equal to 4 the maximum value is 0.7 only. For x equal to 5 the maximum value is again 0.7. Now if you can see, this is my left hand side. Yeah, coming to associative property here, first I want to solve the first one. A union of B union C is equal to A union of B union C. So the bracket part I need to solve first. So let me move on to B union C first. B union C. So as we already discussed, union means we need to identify the maximum out of those two. So those two fuzzy sets are B and C. So let me identify maximum for x equal to 1. So out of 0.3 and 0.6, 0.6 is the maximum. So it should be 0.6 divided by 1. Plus out of 0.6 and 0.4 for x equal to 2, 0.6 is the maximum. Next, out of 0.8 and 0.5, 0.8 is the maximum, and out of 0.7 and 0.4, 0.7 is the maximum, and out of 0.4 and 0.7, again 0.7 is the maximum. So this is the thing for A union B. Now I want to go ahead with total left hand side LHS, that is A union of B union C So this is A union B of B union C, and which is equal to, this is B union C and this is A. So now same story, we need to identify the maximum out of those two corresponding to same x value. So for x equal to 1, the maximum value is 0.6 here. For x equal to 2, it's again 0.6. For x equal to 3, it is 0.8. For x equal to 4, it is 0.7. For x equal to 5, again it is 0.7. So this is the final result for my left hand side part, and for the right hand side part, within the bracket part we need to solve first. So within the bracket it is A union B, which is equal to, now I need to identify the maximum value out of A and B. So it should be 0.3 by 1, 0.6 by 2, 0.8 by 3, 0.7 by 4 plus 0.4 by 5. So these are the values. Now let me go ahead with the right hand side complete part, that is A union of B of union C. This is A union B and this is C. So identify the maximum out of them corresponding to x value. So corresponding to x value, the max x equal to 1, the maximum value is 0.6, and for 2 it is 0.6, for 3 it is 0.8, for 4 it is 0.7 again, for 5 also 0.7. That's all. Now if you see the LH side, now you can see LHS and RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. For 1 the value is 0.6, 0.6, for 2 0.6, 0.6, for 3 0.8, 0.8, for 4 0.7, 0.7, for 5 again 0.7 and 0.7. Hence therefore we can say that associativity is proved. Associativity is proved. That's all. Okay, it's very simple problem. Now let's move on to the last problem, that is De Morgan's laws. Coming to De Morgan's laws, let me solve the second one. Okay, let me solve the second one, this part. So it is A intersection B whole bar. So let me take A intersection B first. So it should be the minimum out of A and B. So according to common x, okay, here the x is taken as 1 and minimum of 0.2 and 0.3 is 0.2 only, plus second one is 0.6, plus the third one is 0.7, fourth one is 0.3, fifth one is 0.2. And coming to A intersection B bar, so this formula is 1 minus mu of A intersection B of x. So similarly we can take it, this is 1 minus of this, so this is A intersection B. Now we need to take 1 minus of this membership functions. So for 1 it should be 1 minus 0.2 should be 0.8 divided by 1, plus 1 minus 0.6 0.4 divided by 2, 1 minus 0.7 0.3 divided by 3, 1 minus 0.3 0.7 divided by 4, plus 1 minus 0.2 0.8 divided by 5. That's all. So this is A intersection B whole bar. Now we have already seen A bar and B bar, so now we need to do A bar union B bar. Yes, so this is A bar and this is B bar. Simply taken mu A bar of x is equal to 1 minus mu A of x. Okay, by using that formula we have already solved A bar and B bar. Now we need to find the right side part of this. So as we know, this is the left hand side part, and now I want to solve right hand side part also, that is A bar union B bar. And as we know, union means maximum out of these two, a bar and b bar. So maximum out of 0.8 and 0.7 is 0.8, and maximum out of 0.4 and 0.4 is 0.4. Maximum of 0.3 and 0.2 is 0.3. Maximum of 0.7 and 0.3 is 0.3, plus maximum of 0.8 and 0.6 is again 0.8. So these are the values. Yes, so for x equal to 1, maximum out of 0.8 and 0.7 is 0.8. For x equal to 2, it's 0.4. For 3, it is 0.3, and for 4, it is 0.7. Okay, not 0.3, it is 0.7. So now just compare right hand side with left hand side. It is 0.8 for x equal to 1, and 0.4 for x equal to 2, 0.3 for x equal to 3, and 0.7 for x equal to 4, and 0.8 for x equal to 5. Therefore, I can say that De Morgan's law is proved. Okay, so these are the problems on fuzzy sets, different operations of fuzzy set, and different properties of fuzzy sets. So if you have any doubts, so you can type in the chat window so that I can reply you within short time also. Okay, please like this video and share this video to your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I thought of complete fuzzy problems and also some applications of fuzzy logic and neural network. Okay, thank you so much.